Hey YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Nike Air Jordan 4 Retro metallic purple. It was dropped on May 20th, 2020. Style number is CT8525-115. It's a white metallic silver quart purple. Retail was like $190, and somehow my son got this out of Dickey Sporting Goods. At first he thought he didn't get it because the credit card didn't go through. Somehow he got it. And this pair is size 8.5, so it's not going for that much right now. It is reselling for only like $225, which is not even worth it. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then I'll show you guys. So here's the shoes, Air Jordan 4 Retro basketball shoes. It's nice that they put another bag over so the box doesn't get dirty and stuff like that. But let's try to open this up. Wow, the box got smashed pretty good. Anyway, let's go and then check it out. You got the purple Jumpman right here. There's nothing on this side. And then got a purple Jumpman right here. Got the Jumpman Nike, the address, Nike Air, Swish Air, Nike Air Sole. And the box is made in China. Got the recycle symbol right there. And then there's nothing on this side. And here's a size label right here. Yeah, be sure to look at the UPC code right here. And This pair is made in China. This is size 8.5. Men's size, UK is equivalent to 7.5. Or women's size is size 10. UK is 7.5 again. And be sure to look at the retail price right here. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, I'm not sure how come they didn't put these shoes inside the box. Wow, it is so clean. Got this nice metallic purple. This is like a silicone mesh on the netting right here. Also on the tongue right here. And all the way up behind the lace system. And then you got this Jumpman with the flight in a patch. It is stitched on there. And then the toe box, there's no ventilation hole. Here's another metallic purple. Well, not really metallic, just a shiny purple. And then there's your netting again. There's your rear pull tab with the 9 of these bumps. And then there's your purple Jumpman right there. On the back of the heel cup. And then there's your airbag in here. So check out the outsole. Go ahead and take it out the shoe tree. Got this upside down Air Jordan. So if you know the shoes is dropping everywhere, that means the resale value is not gonna go up that high. Let's go ahead and turn on the light. So you got the Air Jumpman right there in white on the insole. Let's go ahead and check out this size label right here. There's your UPC code right there, and then the manufacturer date. Also the QR code. And then the material right here is like a metallic finish. It's kind of sparkling, so. And then you got the elastic band on both sides. Here's a shoe tree, what it look like, in case you guys want to do some legit check. We got two of these lumps. And here's the other side of it. The same thing, upside down Air Jordan. So size label right there. And this side has men's 8.5 stickers on there. What the, so the other sticker somehow it fall off and got it on here. Not sure why. It's supposed to be inside here. Too bad it doesn't come with the extra purple lace, only in white. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.